Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk through how to show or hide tabs from the same domain in the Tooltip in tab Tooltip on OpenGX. Let's get started. To show tabs from the same domain in tab Tooltip or to hide them is quite simple. From the home menu here you right click and then you tap on settings. Now once you open up this, you click on features and security from the left side menu. In the right hand menu, scroll all the way down until you see advanced, then click on advanced, scroll all the way down until you see the option for user interface. Now this is where you're going to see the option for either show tabs. You can see it. Show tabs from the same domain in tab Tooltip. It is enabled. This is how to show it. If you want to hide it, just simply turn it off also. If you want to leave it on, this is how you do it. It's as simple as that.